Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and as you know, we are about to start lesson 3. We are going to be doing this row, and of course we are going to continue with the spacing, but as you can see, there's some loops, big loops going on in there, so we're going to be creating those. So let's get started. Insert my needle there. First we're going to start by getting that first loop. So what we're going to do, of course, is make those 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to add 5 chains. So this represents your very first double stitch, and now we're going to add 5 more chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so that's a total of 8. We go under the lead, and we are going to go back into that same stitch right here. We're going to go under that, grab the lead through, pull through, and again pull through. So that's your loop. Nothing too noticeable. All right, so you got your first loop down. So we want to create these 4 chains. We want to create this area, these 4 stitches right there. So let's go ahead and do that. We know we have to create that extra chain. Go under the lead, go under the chain of this stitch, grab the lead and pull through 1, again pull through 2. All right, that extra chain, go under the lead, under the chain of that stitch right here, and we pull through. There you go. One more right here, complete that 4. That extra chain, go under the lead. This is what we're working on. We're going into the chain of this stitch. We go in, grab the lead, pull through, and there you have it. All right, so now you have 4. We have to go back to making the loop, but this time we only need to make 5 chains. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 4, and 5. So we have our 5 chains. We grab the lead, get a loop there. Again, we are going into the chain where we created this stitch. We go back inside that same chain. So we go in, grab the lead, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. So just for clarification, both stitches are inside this one chain. All right, let's continue. The extra chain, go under the lead, go under the stitch, grab and pull through 1 and 2. Again, go under the chain, grab the lead. One more, the extra chain. And we are doing this one more time. Again, we need 5 chains right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go under the lead. Again, as I said before, we go into the same chain where this one is also. So we're going to go in on that same chain, grab the lead, pull it through. You have 3 on your needle, pull through 2. Go back to the lead and pull through the second 2. All right, so go ahead and complete that. All right, you should have the hang of this. So we're just going to complete this, and when we come back, we will close off the 3rd row. And we're back to close off the 3rd row. How are you doing so far? Please let me know in the comments. All right, so again, you know, we need to make this loop. We have 4 there already, so we need to make this loop, and we are going to create 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. we go under the lead. Again, we go into the same chain as this chain right there. Go under, grab your lead, pull it through, and there you have it. So we just now again make that extra chain, go under the lead, go under the chain, pull it through, 1 and 2. We do one more extra chain, go under the lead, under the chain, pull that thread through, pull through 2, go back to the lead and pull through 2. Okay, so we're ready to close. Again, we count off 3 chains right here, and we are going to insert the needle on the third. Oops, sorry. Now see how important this is. Also, so we didn't make that extra chain, and we have to do that. Go back and make that chain. 1, 2, 3. We go in on the third stitch. We go in on the third chain right there. So insert your needle, grab the lead and pull through, and again just pull through, complete with a slip stitch. All right, so there you have it. Our third row is completed. So when we come back, we are going to be doing the fourth row. And this is the starting of our little flowers. Look at that, those are so cute. So see you in the next one. Please remember to like and subscribe. Walk good.